Okay, well, this is a live show here. Maybe we'll, because I don't know, I can't see the camera what we're doing here. Okay, plugged it in. All right. Okay, so first,
welcome to the surgery room.
I'm in surgery. Okay, we got a green screen here. So we had Yero's hard drive here. I'll put this aside. Let's
so on the edits, you can remove the green screen and let's say put an open body or a chest.
Yeah, we could put like instead of green screen, we could put something here. So, you know, whoever's watching, still watching, you can rate and comment. Good shout out for you. Who's watching here? We have Kale Chan, we have Celinda, we have Joseph, and Corey, and Wendy. Let's see.
Tranquilizers?
Yeah.
I guess, no.
We have to anesthetize the patient.
It's not in this case.
So we got this cable here, like here. So, lights here. We should have good lighting. So, how do we remove this thing? My dad is fixing my paper shredder today because my secretary tried to unclog it with a pair of scissors. She put her finger in it too. Lucky her finger didn't go into the shredder and got...
Did she cut it? No.
Yeah, she kind of crushed her finger a little bit. Just a little bruise on her finger. Okay, so we removed the hard drive from the from this thing here. Yeah, we could do the screw here. So... make sure we are... Let's plug ourselves in and kind of ground ourselves so we don't... Let's just touch our... Yeah. We have the screws here. Are we still... Is anybody still watching us? I have to get another screwdriver here. I have another one here. See, Apple uses these sort of, at least it still uses Phillips screwdrivers. Later on they got kind of funky and uses these like pentalobe screwdrivers.
So, they discontinued it?
Yeah, the screws they use later on are like five lobes. But I think, and these ones are like tiny, I don't think it has. Yeah, you only have the tiny one here. This one's not fit.
So are these called the Apple screwdrivers?
Yeah, that's very tiny. Yeah, I have to use that one. This one does not fit. Yeah, Apple uses this sort of crappy stuff. Really. So we got to keep our commentary running here for our YouTube viewers. Not YouTube, the Facebook viewers. We can stream YouTube Live too, you know, as well. We used to use it on the computer.
So you prefer?
Yeah.
Facebook?
Do you remember which one was the long one? I think there's these three ones.
The three.
These three, right?
So I positioned them like that.
Yeah, okay. I kind of remember. If we don't remember, we could always look it up.
Yeah, these three.
Yeah. So let's put these on the side here, so we don't knock them over and lose them. Sure. So we are. Okay, I'm kind of in the light here. It's shut down, right? The computer, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So watch carefully. So later you have to write in the comments, tabs please. You know.
Yeah.
Tabs please.
Tabs please.
Tabs.
Yeah.
There's no tabs for fixing computer.
Yeah. So we could use this. This thing.
The cable.
Yeah. Let's see. I don't know. we just remove it just like this, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Right, and then we have to remove these.
this off,
Yeah,
right?
yes, you remove these two here. And we have to take this off too, because I think it comes with a bracket.
Okay.
This one has the bracket. This is the replacement part that we got. Sort of. I'm amazing that we're still.
This one too?
Yeah, this one, because this one comes with this part. So, yeah, I bought it. So, otherwise we would have to somehow remove this part from this part, which I didn't really want to try. Okay.
That.
And this one too. Yeah. Somehow. Oh, it's stuck on, right? So.
Is it?
Yeah. This is
So we
stuck.
can't take it out.
Well, it's stuck on, right? This part here is stuck on. I kind of tried.
Oh, it's glued.
Yeah, this part was glued. So. This part was glued before, so kind of have to. So it comes out like this. But here, I don't know what caused this one to fail like that, right? Because we don't really see any.
Maybe it's not, right? We'll see. Maybe it's
Maybe
not
it
the
was.
cable.
Right. So it's worth a try. I don't think I'll stick it on just yet. Let's see if we can just. Looks like a white pipe. So.
That's the light.
Yeah. So how's this cable?
I don't see.
This cable. Oh, this cable is much thicker. You see, like it's like this, right?
Which one? The new one?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's the same. But so where do you bend it? Let's see. I can bend it here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it carefully. I have to bend it. Here. Okay, let's screw it on first. Okay, let's not bend the cable there. Want to try it?
Fix it?
Yeah, let's
Fix it on?
fix it on. Yeah. Let's fix this back on. Then maybe we could plug in the hard drive and we could just try it.
Yeah, that could be a good solution.
Yeah, okay, let me just touch it with the.
Is this magnetic?
Yeah, slightly magnetic. Yeah. Touch it around you for the. I'm doing surgery on this MacBook Pro here. This is the right screws, right? So. not too tight, the screws.
Doesn't go in.
Is it the right screw?
Yeah. Should be. Oh, no, these are the right one. There's the two of them right here.
How about this one? Is this one the...
This one was from the bracket.
Okay, good.
Does this go?
Yeah. Okay, too tight. It's very, very delicate here. Nothing. So these two.
This is the other one.
This is the other one.
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah. That one's. Those other two were from the. Okay.
Are there capacitors here?
No.
No.
Yeah, maybe I could just take this one down temporarily before we. Okay. Maybe just put the bracket back on.
This one?
No, the yeah.
Oh, the screws.
The screw for the brackets. Yeah.
This one right here.
That's the other bracket, right? So
Yeah, this is
this one bracket.
Here.
Okay, another bracket.
No, it doesn't turn.
Maybe it's a longer.
No, I think your screwdriver is off. Yeah, that's good now.
Okay. Yeah. And this the other bracket. We got like 5. Come on, the light here.
I think your screwdriver is off. Yeah.
Okay. Now we take the hard drive. Here. Now, if this works, the hard drive should spin up. Okay, and remember where we put those things last week?
In the shop. Do you want to see it first? You spin?
Yeah. I think we have to sort of mount it at least first. Do something, yeah. Maybe just put 2 in just because this is another it's another screwdriver here.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of funny. It's another torque sort of. It's another screwdriver. Just to cover it. So this thing was working in the case, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, in the case was fine.
Yeah. Actually.